Municipality ya Kasese nayo ka district netunga sente nyingi ku rugo by'oburambuzi konka abebembezi b'omwanya ogwo berarikirire ngu sectage eri neshuma hamti ekino kijeho bwanyuma y'ekyabireho kwezi okuhwire obumwegemure ogwareetirweho River Nyamwamba kushenya orutindo orwa Kyanzuki orukugeita Kasese Municipality na Mountain Rwenzori okurugirira hari Ochora Charles owa Rwenzori Trekking Services obutabaho ko orutindo rukireetireho kukyendera kw'abarambuzi ngo kandi okutambura kilometers umushaje mpaka ha main gate nchirakuka kuretya abarambuzi abako batakashiraho barukuze.
If government could do something, please, they can try to help and bring an alternative, because this is really going to affect even the number of the tourists coming along the Kilembe Valley, because road access is the key. Road network. If you don't have even a bridge which connect us in the valley here or connect to the mountain. And I can say this thing, not only even the mountain, even a road from here to the national gate, park gate. The road is not yet even in good condition. So the road is not yet even there.
Ochora nagira ngo batakozera harutindoro ninga bakata henkorende ijo eby'oburambuzi nibiko.
Now the distance we used to start with from the client, we tell them, even written on the website, is only 2.4 kilometers away from the park. But now they need to take another 2 kilometers behind, another 2 kilometers walking, so it's adjusting up to nearly 7 kilometers. So
kwihobo orutindo rusisikara abantu bezirana batahebiti ebyo kubayamba kurabaho konkane bagumane bisikara.
Naye tubadde tusaba omukulembeze waffe Yoweri Kaguta Museveni jangu tuyambeko tutaasi kulwokuba embeera gye tulimu eno tutugenda giwangula ate oli munnaffe tukwagala tubadde tusaba ojje otutaase n'abe MP betuwaayo eyo mu maaso batuloozeeko olw'okuba embeera gye tulimu ate kirala tulina abaana baffe ku ssomero lya Kilembe Secondary ate abaana abo balina ebbasi nga bazadde
olusilo kalula mabiri sula lukanawunza mwokwezi lunamu isingawo tekyangali nari nakwamija byesiri abana basenyohora rako olusilo lwabiri tubonesi ngesanu rukanusilo mwokwezi kwa katrani tukiko mwokwezi kwa msanju runamu etunamu yebulabula sana rufabere taseka tukanzo buyembi bunene elangendo mukasa tukolera obulalobu ngobwe muvuko.
LC3 chairperson wa Bulembi Division Bomera Richard nagira ngo bariyo nibakorana mane kureba ngo umuhando gundi gwigurwa.
We are happy. We are working with the tourism sector to open an alternative route. It is not our problem because we are not the ones who caused the flood, but it is our responsibility to ensure that the welfare of all people, including the tourists, is really promoted through putting the temporary bridge. If we didn't put the temporary bridge, they wouldn't be crossing. So we are also thankful to ourselves and the whole system and everybody that participated in putting up that temporary bridge. So we know they are passing through challenges.
Gashagwa Muhindo Gerard, our Sky TV, Agensho.